Hey there, this is Paulo from Anima. In this video, I'm going to show you how to export an Adobe XD design to code with a single click of a button. In order to export our design to code, we need to first preview it in the browser. This will open the design in the Anima web app. Now, notice the Export Code button in the top right corner. And next to it, you can switch on and off the Auto Flexbox setting. Flexbox layout means relative positioning, so layers can push each other as they expand according to the content inside of it. I'll show you more in a little bit. Now go ahead and click the Export Code button, select the destination of the code package, and there you have it. You exported a design to code with a single click. Now unzip the file and you can open all the CSS, HTML, and the images of your design. The exported code is yours, so you can make all the changes you want and you can preview them locally. You will notice that all Anima features work locally, like the video, the embedded map, text inputs, as well as the breakpoints. Now let me show you the Auto Flexbox feature. Flexbox layout means relative positioning, so layers can push each other as they expand according to the content inside of it. I will make this title longer, so when the text wraps around it, it will push down the content below it instead of overlapping it. I will use the browser's inspector tool so it's easier to see. So I'll select the title and replace it for something longer, and watch the content below it push down. Let me scroll down a little bit more, try one more time so you can see it better. Just find the text title, make it shorter again, pushes everything up, but now when I make it longer again, it will push everything down. And that is how you can export your Adobe XD design into code with a single click and with Auto Flexbox. We hope you like it. Please let us know what you think in the comments below, and please share this video and subscribe for more tutorials. Thank you.